Okay, we got a 25 to 30-year-old package unit here on a roof. As you can see, the unit was upgraded back in the 90s, and there was a much smaller unit up here. As you can see, the metal pedestal right there, which is good. It's metal. It's going to support the weight of this 500-pound unit, but it's not big enough. So what they did is, instead of replacing the metal pedestal with a bigger one and bringing it out here like it should be, they modified it and rigged it and Mickey Moused it and Donald Ducked it with a bunch of wood. And we all know plywood is not meant to be exposed to the exterior. And look at it, it's all just caving in right here. It's all just going to eventually fail. This thing's just going to go boink. That thing's going to drop, and we hope we don't rupture a gas line in the process. So this is a really bad condition to have right here. If you look underneath here, you'll see that, yeah, that's in rough shape. And further inspection of this unit, I noticed we're pulling in air from the outside into that duct right there. Definitely sucking in outdoor air. So this condition here is definitely going to throw off the temperature split inside, because now if it's really hot out and this is running, it's going to pull in all that hot air from outside into the system and throw off the balance of everything. So this is just a shitty condition to have. Right here, another spot where air is getting in from the outside, not to mention moisture and water. So yeah, you get a old unit like this, some 93, ANSI's 93 on here. It's time for an upgrade. Upgrade this unit and take care of all this at once, because they're gonna have to crane this off, put the correct pedestal back in, and they can fix the duct while they're doing it.